We have the new MacLean Power Systems Modular Bracket. We wanted to incorporate a new design into our automated cell to improve reliability, quality, and also reduce manufacturing lead times. With our current multi-phase design, they're very bulky. They utilize numerous size pallets. The product cannot be stored in traditional warehouse racking. The new modular bracket eliminates all of those issues. One of the key features of the modular bracket is a universal base that is used for both 1.5 and 2-inch brackets. It's the same base that we also use for the 0-degree and 15-degree options. You can see it is shipped with captive hardware, so you don't have to worry about it coming loose prior to installation or during shipping. We have implemented a pokey yoke concept that ensures they cannot be assembled incorrectly. We have a captive supply chain. We can react quickly as necessary to service storm orders. In a storm response situation, having more brackets on a truck is the key to better service our customers.